Yeah. Hello, guys. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right. So this is a new trading week, right? You can if you actually notice that, you will see that I didn't make any video yesterday, right? And this was as a result of my expectations of what might likely happen in the market today. And as you can see, there we actually have some crazy move in the market today, especially on gold and other USD pairs. Right. So what are we really expecting on dollar index? Right. I will quickly go straight to the point because I've made one analysis right today, but unfortunately, I actually didn't know that my sound, my microphone was not fixed. So I was just recording on my laptop alone, and I discovered that the sound was very poor and very bad. So I'm giving it another try. So I will just rush it now because the time has really gone based on what I actually plan to do. All right. So looking at the daily time frame, all right, daily time frame, we can see, well, I've actually made some analysis sometimes ago then whereby I was expecting market to really come to this zone for it to bounce back up. Now you can see that last month actually created a low. Then at the beginning of this month, you can see that the market was really dropping. Then came back to take out last month low. So this really gave us some kind of liquidity grab. So I will be expecting, if possible, that this market actually closed with this railroad track, right? I will be expecting market to really give us some bullish run. So I will be expecting some kind of a strength in the dollar index, or in dollar pairs, right? Looking at the daily time, a 1 hour time frame, right? We have a 3E structure here, right? 3E structure. So I will be expecting market to either come to this zone, right, one, or come to this zone two, right? So how am I expecting price to come back to this zone? In a compressed manner, right? One or two, then I will be expecting it to go higher. So firstly, I will be expecting a weakness in dollar pairs, then also a strength. Then my target will be, let's see, 4 hour time frame. The first zone, this particular area, and the second zone, this eye. That is what I'll be expecting, right, uh, to happen. Just like an equal high was formed there, so I will be expecting market to really come back to take it out. So that's what I'll be expecting on dollar index. So let's quickly look at Euro USD. Now, on the daily time frame, all right, we have this market gave us an a 3E structure. Then, likewise, this area was taken out, right? Then, if possible, this real track can also be printed today. Then we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Then, not only that, I also have another 3E structure here, so which implies that I will be looking toward for this market to drop, right? That is what I am expecting. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame now, right? Uh, I will be expecting market to retrace back. Now, let me see 1 hour time frame. I will see my more another 3 structure here. One, two, then three, right? I will expect price to move probably to this King B or to this particular area, then before it continues to drop down. Right. So this is my expectation for Euro USD for this coming days. Now on GBP USD, right? I guess let me do USDCHF first. USDCHF. This also follows the same pattern, right? That I'm looking at now. The first zone might be this area, all right, and the second zone will be this area. Possibly this fair value gap might also serve as a rejection zone, but it's just a matter of how price will really approach this zone that will make me to look into those zones. Now on GBP USD, this is actually very similar also. All right, I will be expecting, right, something like this to happen, or market should take out this eye, all right, something like this to happen. That is what I will be expecting on GBP USD, right? GBP USD. Now on CADJPY, this is 1 hour time frame. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, you see that this market has already broken structure. Most especially, this is really where price ought to come back to. But looking at the 4 hour time frame, now we can really see expect price to come to this zone, or this particular zone. So this will really give us a kind of a long term reversal before market will continue to go higher. Then if that is not the case, then this fair value gap, we can also expect the 50% of it to be retested. That is this particular area, right? That is we can expect price to retrace back into that area, right, before we see some kind of bullish run again on that pair. Now looking at the 1 hour time frame, so that will really be around this zone. I'll be looking forward to this zone as where I'll be taking my buy trade from. If possible, that price will be good at that particular zone. Then the same thing is also applicable here on EURJPY, right? This zone, or let me just mark it, this zone, right, or this king here will be a zone of interest for us. Then on gold, you can actually see it. I actually had a very good, beautiful trade on gold today, right? We have 1, 2, 3. Then if you see the daily time frame, right, on the daily time frame, it actually hit my rejection zone here, right? Then before price now move back into that zone and give me 3 hits, then we have this kind of a drop in the market. So this is really what happened on gold pair. On gold trade today. Now, what am I expecting? I'm expecting market to give me some kind of retracement to the upside, right? Probably to the 50% of this uh, uh, um, fair value gap, then for us to see a drop. Now, I actually made a very serious analysis in the previous video, but I just have to really rush it now. But this is really the conclusion of what I did earlier. So that is what I'm expecting now. If you see gold trade, also you will see that this structure was broken. Then we have market also breaking this structure. Though market did not actually was unable to take out this high, what got rejected there. So let's see what will happen. We might see some kind of retracement, then more drop on this particular pair. Then before we see it going higher. Then on Nasdaq, right? What I'm expecting is that price should come to this particular range here, probably take out this low before it will continue to go higher. Now, looking at that, that implies that this Friday's low would be taken out, then market will come to this area for us to take a trade. Now, another thing is that we're going to have this low, probably form it another 3 hit low in there before market will go higher. But I'm actually expecting the market to go higher. If this zone did not hold, probably another zone we hold, then will might likely push price higher. Then lastly on US30, right, we have the same price action here. Now if you look at the daily, we can see that the price is actually really bullish, right? On the 4 hour, we can also see the same thing. So we're expecting market to retrace a bit before going out. Now another thing to note is that this is Monday, and when the market opened, we can see that this was a really little bit consolidation for the first 12 hours of the week, right? And we have a very long candle. So this implies that market might likely continue to go downward, right? And how am I going to know that? Is as a result of what would be printed probably by tomorrow. Then we're going to determine if market will continue to go downward or market will get rejected here and continue to go higher. So, guys, this is really what I have for you today, right? And I'm expecting this week that is actually going to be a very good week. It's going to be a very nice time for us to trade, right? So, if you have any question, you can actually send them to me. And don't forget, we have a Telegram channel where we upload our materials, chart analysis, both my and my students, right? Uh, for you to see the simplicity in what we do, the risk reward ratio, the fantastic one, and how you can actually trade professionally. Now, so you can join our Telegram channel to see all those work, and also don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Then also follow us on Instagram to have more details of what we do. So, lastly, another information for you is that on the 15th of this month, this is actually 6 days to come, our mentorship class for the month of December would be opened, right? Our mentorship class for the month of December would be open. So you would do well to enroll, right? It's just for $550, right? So, and it's actually a kind of intensive course. I can actually promise you, you've never experienced such a training before. Really, a trial will really convince you that this is really a good mentorship class, right? So you will have detailed and well explanatory um, course to be taken, right? And also there are so many things that you're going to benefit from joining our team. All right, guys, thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and also join our Telegram channel. All right, until next time, please make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you keep a sane mind in trading. Don't break your rules. Don't complicate your trading, and make sure you follow your trading plan. So I will see you next week. Bye bye, and God bless you.